So this is the lab 10 vending machine. See, now let me reset it, and now it shows 0 on all 4 of the 7 segments. Let me insert a nickel 5. So that's 5, another 5, 10, 20. This is the dime and the quarter. 25, another quarter, and you see it goes up to 95 and stop there. So notice that I had to press the button long enough so that it can get registered. Now let me choose these 4 items. Let me choose the most expensive one. This should be 70 cents. Then 70 will show up there, and then this will change to 25, which is change, and the LED should light up saying that you have enough money. See, 70, 25, light up, then it all clear back to 0, and you should switch down by yourself. If your money is not enough, the LED won't light up. So let's try just insert 5 and choose something that's 50 cents, 55 cents, 0. So change is still 5, but no LED light up. So that's what you need to do in this lab.